Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Contracts are moving very poorly. Interesting. This is a really light risky trade. I'm long with a 425 10 stop. Really risky. Light trade. The momentum is clearly bearish. It definitely looks like we could fall lower, but I'm in very light here. So we can see this 425.11 level working as a support, but the momentum was. Oh, let me fix the chart. Sorry, guys. So yeah, we just bought it near support. Now we're just letting the market just chop around. The NASDAQ is at VWAP as support. The IWM is at VWAP as resistance. So let's see. Let's see if they can bring this up here. But yeah, the reason why this is risky and it was light is number one, because we can clearly see that we're failing at a level of resistance on the SPY, but then showing some bearish momentum as well, but we were at a level of support. And I generally don't like taking these trades, but you know, it is what it is. You know, sometimes we wish that we would go a little heavier on trades. Okay, man, it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it. Just be thankful that you got a profit to begin with. But yeah, honestly, it was not like the best trade setup at it anyway, so it's okay. So I hope you guys are taking some profits off of this. And yep, now it just needs to hold above. The NASDAQ is having resistance at 324.50, right? The IWM is continuing to have resistance at VWAP, but the NASDAQ is holding above VWAP. This is a good little trade. Now let's just see if it could hold. Now let's just see if the SPY can hold above VWAP, and we might have a continued move to the upside. What the? Damn. But yeah, make sure you guys are taking some profits. This is going long here is very risky. Yeah, going long here is a bit risky. The NASDAQ is... Damn. The whole market looks pretty ugly right now. Lots of indecision out of the market right now. Just looks very, very... at levels of resistance, they do look bearish, but not that easy to short. That's the issue. So the IWM is at resistance here at 172.92. VWAP, the 10 SMA, the 50 SMA, they're all coinciding perfectly with the 172.92 level on the IWM. So that is clearly very strong resistance, right? But the setup itself on the candles setup, etc., that looks really strong. The buying pressure. The NASDAQ is right below 359.50, and now it's trading below VWAP and the 10 SMA. So that, like, regardless of the weakness out of the IWM and the NASDAQ, the SPY is still showing the most strength, which is why it's difficult to try to short. So yeah. So they really tried to paint a very, very bearish picture on the IWM. Like, if you guys just look on the chart of the IWM and throw on the VWAP, the 10 SMA, 50 SMA on your chart, and put the resistance at 172 to 92, you're gonna see like a crazy amount of resistance that they were trying to create. But it looked like it was coiling. And yeah, guys, like I was just they were I don't know, I can't explain. It was they were trying way too they were trying way too hard to try to make it look bearish. Oh my gosh. And the SPY held VWAP this entire time as well. So yeah, you know, you can't really that's crazy. Okay, so now the SPY is at 426.28. Resistance. Now is a good time to take profits on everything, and basically nice little trade. This makes more sense to try to go short here, but I'm not gonna go short just yet. But this is a much better place to sell the entire position if you're holding on to 1 or 2 contracts. Mm-hmm. I hope you guys made money on this trade. Definitely. Let me see some ones in the chat if you guys made money on it. The concept is to take some profits and then hold runners afterward. And yeah, we held above VWAP on the SPY. And that was the condition that I wanted. Okay. Nice, nice. J Sharp and Daryl. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. NASDAQ 360.64 resistance. IWM 173.43 resistance. Yeah, market is doing what it needs to do. It's working pretty nice and fluid, to be honest. Yeah, it's doing its thing. They were painting a very bearish resistance right here, right? And then as soon as we made another like stupid leg up, we shouldn't have made this leg up. Oh, they sold it off. So this was a really good short opportunity as well. So yeah, the market is moving pretty fluid at the moment, but it often does that. Um, Definitely always usually does that before news comes out. And we have news coming out at 10 a.m. today, so unfortunately, like the price action that we usually have before news is so nice and fluid. Let's see if it'll continue after news. New high of day on the NASDAQ. Nice. Hmm. Wow, Microsoft looks really good. Amazon looks pretty good. The NASDAQ new high day, but Microsoft looks really good. Yeah. Apple's skyrocketing. Nvidia is doing really well as well. Google, Amazon, Tesla, not so much, but Nvidia is at a level of resistance for the high of the day here. Pretty good as well. Oh, mm. Once again, you can't really go long here. Risky to go long. Um, uh, it's better to just go short, to be honest, than it is long. But mm, yeah, let's just wait for news to come out. Okay, there's the news. That's why we don't hold on to anything during news. All right, let's see. Okay, so let's see if let's see. $425.11 is major support on the SPY, the level that we were holding at before, but momentum is clearly bearish. Let's see. The IWM is at support as well. The NASDAQ is also at support. Now it's getting too late to start shorting now. Well, let's see. I'm gonna take some light SPY calls with the 0.9 stop. This is very risky as well. 0.9, 0.85 stop loss. Let's see. But you definitely don't want to start adding to shorts here. So let's see if we get a nice like big whiplash back up to 425.10. They're really trying to put their foot down on bulls right now. The bearish momentum is really there. After that big red candle and the retest of VWAP, they just continued it down. So we should have, in hindsight, we should have just went short there. But yeah, it's all right. I'm gonna sell this for a loss. Okay. All right. Let's try to go long again with a stop loss right. Oh my gosh. Contract's not moving fast, but basically just nice and simple, just going long again with a stop loss right here at low of day. But yeah, as soon as the news came out, lots of bearishness and just continued follow through to the downside, to the bearish direction. Didn't get sent to wave. Okay. Nice. Okay, there's 420, 420. Let's see if we get a retest of 424, 55. But yeah, buying down here after multiple legs down is less risky because there's already been a huge move to the downside. You can't just automatically assume that the market's just going to capitulate for the rest of the day, especially when the SPY, the IWM, and the NASDAQ are at major levels of support. That's why this jumped up this freaking heavily. That's why the contracts jumped up this heavily as well. Make sure you guys take some profits. God damn. This was a really sexy trade. Gorgeous. Fudge, man, it's so stupid. Get sent to wait for this video. But yeah, man. Ugh. Yeah, what we did was just a nice, simple go long with a very, very tight stop loss. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We make another leg down. I would have went long again. This is a very, very important. And you know, we caught it at such a good point that we're still almost 10% in profit. Even with this huge move to the downside, we caught it at such a good point that we're still comfortably, well, not comfortably in profit, but it's good. We caught it at that was a very, very high quality, tight trade, and that's what I like to do. That's like I love those trades. If we drop to like 422.50, then that would be an actually pretty that might be like a monstrous move to the upside. Actually, let's see. Maybe not monstrous, but it'll be the lower end of a falling wedge being formed on the SPY, as well as a major already level of support at 422.50, 422.40 area. So let's see. Yeah, we might as well. This would be a little riskier. So this trade that I'm about to take right now would be a bit riskier. So all right, I'm into light SPY calls with a 422.20 stop. This is risky. Riskier trade. Momentum is still bearish. This is not as clean as a long opportunity. See a nice big green candle. Hold it above. You know, after a nice big green candle, hold it above 422.90, 422.95, and then call it a day. Nice, good little trade. Let's see. The thing is, we're at pretty decent support on a bullish structure with like a falling wedge pattern. Now buyers just need to step in. So that's why it's a bit riskier, because you're hoping that buyers will step in to continue this bullish sort of trade. It wouldn't be as risky if there was like, if we had this falling wedge occur after like a huge move to the downside. Like this right now is not that huge. We can still make another leg down. That's why I consider it riskier. But yeah, let's see. Come on, nice big green candle. Relax, relax, come on. Yeah, regardless at this point, you should still take some profits here. You know, at like a 10-15% gain, always try to take some profits. We can't expect this to continue up. You always have to solidify some profits. Don't get greedy. Now just hold the runners. That's it. Be comfortable. Be comfortable. Now you're playing with house money. There we go. Not the big green candle I wanted to see, that last candle, but The 1020 candle was not as big as we would have liked. Now we have resistance at 423.20. 357.06 is resistance on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can break above this stuff here. Honestly, nice, huge, just monstrous green candle break above 450, 423.50. Call it a day, you know. Go get some chai. Nice, relaxing. Boom, bam, go for a walk. What else? Beautiful. We just need a nice big green candle. All right, so in the meantime, as we're listen, we're gonna look at the same time, we're gonna get some McDonald's. And we're gonna, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna have a McDonald's office party. Have a McDonald's office party where we get tons of, so look, this is make or break area for the SPY to bounce here, which is perfect because it coincides perfectly with our McDonald's office party. So we're gonna have a McDonald's office party. We're gonna get all of the extra dipping sauces. Oh man, the ice cream machine is gonna be working. You know, it's gonna be amazing. And we're gonna make sure everyone is well fed. We're gonna make sure everyone is getting good food. Oh man, did I even mention the drinks are gonna be all you can like unlimited refills. We might even bring in you know, some different flavors of sodas as well, not just the normal sodas. We might bring in some, you know, who knows, some Hawaiian punch, some brisk iced tea. You know, we're gonna change it up a bit. Oh, you want some Gatorade with your McDonald's? Okay, that's a little weird, but all right, cool. Here's some Gatorade. We're gonna change it up. This is gonna be really, really good. Let's see if this can hold a support, and then we could, you know, monstrous move to the upside. But that's why you always try to take some profits, regardless. It needs to hold here. So yeah, but yeah, man. I mean, I'm pretty sure this everyone's gonna have a good time with some McDonald's. You know, the MMs are also going to have all they can eat McDonald's, which is crazy, to be honest. I know they don't get fed McDonald's like this at not a lot of buyers. How about you guys press the buy button and then go to the office McDonald's party? All right, MMs. So just press the buy button, then go into the conference room. Everything is laid out over there, guys. All right, MMs. Everything is laid out on the conference room. Maybe 2 floors down. So that's it. Nice. Boom. Press the buy button and then go. Okay. Nice and simple. Don't worry, we'll take care of everything here. Don't worry. Do what you guys got to do. Go, eat, take your time. It's okay. Just reschedule the meetings. Reschedule the meetings. Don't worry about the 10:30 meeting. Reschedule it. There's more important things to take care of. All right. Like, what are you gonna work all the time? Just press the buy. It's okay. Just press the buy button and move on. What do you like? You can't live the rest of your life just working constantly. You know, just, you know, take it easy a little bit. It's okay. You deserve it. Hardworking people, you know, just relax. Yeah, don't worry. Just reschedule it. 10:30 meeting. They'll understand. make sure you guys are taking profits again. These it's getting riskier to try to go long here aggressively, but we caught it at a really good time. We caught it at a really good time. This is just, now is a really pivotal moment for them to rip it up. We're at 423.20 resistance and 357.06 resistance on the NASDAQ as well. So definitely hope you guys have taken some profits again if you didn't the first time. This is definitely looking a bit more bearish. This is not really a safe landing point. They feel like it feels it could make new lows from here. So just make sure guys don't let this go red. You guys should be out actually. Could maybe go long again. After another low. I would have liked a longer. I would have liked a harder drop before we go long again. This is not the best. It's not the best long opportunity. Oh wow, yeah, got the hash browns. I forgot to mention the various other foods that they would have. Damn, yeah, I completely forgot. The only long that you could take right now is it would just be very, very tight. You would just have to go long with like 422.50 as a stop. But you guys could take that on your own. I'm not don't want to take it because I don't really want it to get alerted. So that would be a bit more aggressive trade, but that is another trade you could take. Right now, you could take it. This as a stop loss, 422.50. Yeah, should have gotten Ronald McDonald over there too. Damn, you're absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Harmful. If you're still in the chat, man, please send me a DM on Instagram. Please send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord and tell me that it's you. Preferably Instagram. Just tell me that it's you. Harmful. So when the market is choppy like this, you want to try to optimize for trying to enter at a level of support. So 422.50, close to that level, you basically, that's the only thing that you could really do in this chop. This is, yeah, so at this point, like, this chop is not we're gonna have to see how the market responds. Honestly, you know, as soon, literally, if I were to sign off a stream, we're probably gonna have like a huge move like 30 seconds after I sign off. But the real cookies, call it a day. Take care, man. You know, okay. FA breezy, easy. I got wrecked. It's funny. Gabriel, were you expecting this hit from news? Um, Not really. I mean, like, because we, like, sometimes we get like a huge move to the downside because of news that comes out at 10 a.m. or 9:45 a.m., etc., or whatever. But then later on in the day, we just come back and make new highs oftentimes. So it doesn't really, in the short term, whatever happens with news is sort of irrelevant. Maybe 418 mark. Oh. Mm. 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 I really want. This is technically a. This is technically somewhere where you should be going long. Unfortunately, damn. But I want to be greedier and wait for a move lower before going long, to be honest. But a trade, honestly, this is a trade that you could take. Just have a low of day stop in this. But it's such an ugly setup. I don't really want to take it. Damn, this is damn. Yeah, should have went long. That was. Yeah, it's just such an ugly setup, but it was. They are not gonna give a perfect setup. All right, while this is consolidating, let's see how the market responds for the next little bit, and then we can see what's going on with the swings. The initial swings that we got for October 13th, October 16th, a few days ago. Those are, we have to see how this week sort of ends. That's going to be pretty important. See how we do into the end of the week. And yeah, also, so I was speaking to some people that were taking these swings with like $1,000 or $2,000 portfolios, and the contracts, some of them are like $600 or $500. You can't, like, you should not be playing those contracts because they take up a large percent of your portfolio, and then if that trade doesn't work out, then you end up losing a lot of money because you're putting too much money into the trade. So risk management, in terms of, you have to know your portfolio size in conjunction to what you're trying to buy. You should never try to get more than 10-15% of your portfolio into any trade. So yeah, that was this was a good little buy. We made a new low. Next candle was nice strong green candle that closed above the prior low open. So that was, generally that would be a phenomenal entry. Cool. All right. Yeah, the market is starting to consolidate. Definitely, guys, do not over trade in this chop. Do not try to chop. Do not try to trade the chop. Okay? Just be patient. Wait for trendier days. Don't blow up your portfolios when the market is choppy or terrible, you know? So just be patient. Wait. We made some good trades this morning. Just relax. Let the market even out. Wait for the market to make like a big move. After the market makes a big move, then you could consider like new levels of support and resistance. But yeah, at this point, there's like too many variables. Like, the only thing that would make me want to take a trade right now is if we get a very, very quick, abrupt move, like below 421.50, and it would need to be based off of like a quick sell-off. If it, no, there's, but yeah, the next level that I'm looking at is 421.50. So let's see if that can happen actually quickly. I was right on schedule actually. So let's see. Wow, they're gonna try to hold this at every major point now. Let's see. Because we have major support at 421.80, and then we have major support at 421.60. So this is crazy. This looks like a similar little situation to the news when the news came out. Should continue falling lower. This isn't really a good long opportunity. Unfortunately, this is also another trade. Unfortunately, you would have to go long here with a stop loss right there at the low. But then the momentum is still pointed lower. So generally, I would take a trade here with a stop loss right there. And then, but this is not really a high conviction enough trade. I'd be very light. And I would wait for a bounce, right? But most likely I would already assume that we would get lower. But instead of me being greedy and just waiting for like these levels here, you would have to take it there. You would have to take it a bit here. Okay. The green line is 421.22. And yeah, this 421.50 level worked pretty well. I would rather it break lower, and then we could go long off of that instead of this 421.50. It wasn't too strong. It wasn't strong enough. But clearly, you know, there were some buyers here. Balaj, yeah, I'm still holding the gold calls. Have to go long here, basically, with a tight stop loss below 421.60. Yeah. And then hopefully get a big move to the downside, and we could finally go long here. But yeah, I'm gonna head off. We're not really getting like a huge abrupt move to the downside that would warrant a snapback call. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy. Hopefully you guys don't overtrade for the rest of the day. And yeah. Let's see. Let's just let the rest of this chop subside. Let's see how the market goes. Let's see how things go as a whole. And yeah, man, we cool. All right. All right, but yeah, with that being said, Robert, what amount does it break? October 2022, March 2022. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think the trend line, I think I might have that on my daily chart. Let me check real quick. Yeah, so that was at 425. So for that level for today is 425.33. So we're currently trading below it. Robert. All right. Cool. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope we made some money. Hope we did well today. Let's see how our swings play out. Currently, currently they might need some floaties. They, you know, yeah, floaties or inflatable things to keep them from drowning. Yeah, that's what the swings need at the moment. But yeah, let's see how the rest of this week goes. You know, once again, like we're just playing alongside statistics. So if sometimes statistics don't work out, it is what it is. But the vast majority of the time they do work out. So, you know, when they don't work out, it's just a matter of managing risk, allowing for losses not to hinder your portfolio too much. And yeah, you know, not every trade is going to be a huge win. You know, is what it is. So let's see how that plays out. And yeah, this is still ugly, man. This is such an ugly setup, man. They just keep forcing people to go long. You have to go long here again, but it's like it's such an ugly setup. Like you can't try to short this, like, because then you're only shorting for what, maybe one more leg down, you know. But ugly setup overall. But cool. My outro's not gonna work, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you guys soon, and I'll also see you guys tomorrow morning. All right. So yeah, love you guys. Miley, Juan, nice. Daryl, cool. Bye. Cool. All right, guys. Love you guys. Take care. Have an amazing rest of your day. Just take it easy. Be patient. All right. Take care. Have a good one.